Children, you will learn about 10 animals in today's class. Next animal.
Yeah!
Hi, kids. I'm a lion, the king of the jungle. I can roar so loud. Roar!
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hello, kids. I'm an elephant, the biggest land animal. Fun fact, my ears keep me cool in the hot sun.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hi, kids! I'm a zebra. Look at my black and white stripes. Fun fact, every zebra has stripes that are unique, just like your fingerprints.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hello, kids. I'm a bear, big and strong. I love honey. Yum, yum.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hi, kids. I'm a giraffe, the tallest animal on land. Fun fact, my tongue is super long, almost 18 inches.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hello, kids. I'm a panda, soft and cuddly. I love eating bamboo all day long. Fun fact.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hello, kids! I'm a dolphin, the friendliest sea animal. I can jump high and swim super fast.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hee. I'm a monkey. I love bananas. Yum, yum. Fun fact, my tail helps me swing on trees.
Next animal.
Yeah!
I'm a fox, smart and fast. I use my big bushy tail to stay warm. Fun fact, foxes can make over 40 different sounds.
Next animal.
Yeah!
Hi, kids. I'm a penguin. I live in the snow. I can't fly, but I'm a super swimmer. Swimming pool.